I hope you all are doing well. So let's begin with chapter number 18 of English, and the name of the chapter is comprehension. So comprehension में basically क्या होता है, आपको एक टॉपिक दिया होगा, उसके ऊपर कुछ लाइंस होंगी एंड फ्रॉम दैट टॉपिक आपको नीचे कुछ क्वेश्चंस दिए हुए होंगे जिनको आपको उस टॉपिक में से पढ़कर आंसर करना है, राइट? सो लेट्स सी begin. Read the given description of an elephant and answer the questions that follow. तो हमें यहाँ पर एक एलिफेंट का डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया हुआ है जिसे हमें पढ़ने के लिए बोला है, और उसके बाद हमें नीचे कुछ क्वेश्चंस दिए हुए हैं जिनके आंसर हमें देने हैं. So, an elephant is the biggest animal on land. It has small eyes and two large ears. It has two white tusks. Its tusks are teeth. Its skin is gray in color. It has a long trunk and a tail. It has four legs like four big pillars. It loves to play in the water. It has a very sharp memory. It loves to eat bananas, sugar canes, and leaves. Right, so this was the topic that was given about the elephant. Now, यहाँ पर हमें कुछ questions दिए हुए हैं जो हमें पढ़ने हैं और इनके answers इस paragraph में से find out करने हैं. So, an elephant is the dash animal on land. तो ये आंसर हमें ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है जिसका आंसर है biggest, right? So we'll write biggest over here. BIGGEST, biggest. After that, it has small eyes and dash ears and two large ears, right? तो जल्दी से यहाँ पर 2 लिख देते हैं, TWO 2. After that, its tusks are its. इसके जो tusks है वो क्या है? We all know the answer. Its tusks are its teeth. After that, it has 4 legs like 4 big pillars. We all know this as we have read it above in the passage. So pillars is the correct answer. After that, moving ahead, we have take the correct statement and cross the wrong ones. तो हमें इनमें से जो भी करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है उसके आगे एक टिक लगाना है और जो गलत है उसके आगे एक क्रॉस लगाना है. It has 2 white tusks. Absolutely correct. It loves to play in the sand. Yes, obviously it loves to play in the sand. It has very poor memory. No, it has a very sharp memory, right? It loves bananas, sugar canes, and leaves. Obviously, yes. Its skin is gray in color. Yes, its skin is gray in color, right? So, as you can see, that you have many more examples given in the chapter for your practice. So, it is very easy for you to practice them all and make your skills perfect. So, that was all about reading comprehension and answering all the questions. So, thank you so much and have a great day.